Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, commonly known as Sardar, who was an Indian lawyer, influential political leader, a barrister, and a statesman who served as the first Deputy Prime Minister and first Home Minister of India from 1947 to 1950. Patel was born into a self-sufficient land-owning family of the Leva Patidar caste. Reared in an atmosphere of traditional Hinduism, he attended primary school at Karmsad and high school at Petlad, but was mainly self-taught. Patel was married at the age of 16. He matriculated at the age of 22 and passed the district pleader's examination, which also enabled him to practice law. In the year 1900s, he set up an independent office of district pleader in Godhra, and 2 years later, he moved to Borsad.
As a lawyer, Patel distinguished himself in presenting an unaccessible case in a precise manner and in challenging police witnesses and British judges. Determined to enhance his career in the legal profession, Patel travelled to London in 1910 to study at the Middle Temple. He studied diligently and passed the final examination with high honours. Returning to India in February 1913, he settled in Ahmedabad, rising rapidly to become the leading barrister in criminal law at the Ahmedabad bar. He was noted for his superior mannerism, his smartness, English-style clothes, and his championship in bridge at Ahmedabad's fashionable Gujarat club.
In 1917, Patel found the course of his life changed after having been influenced by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Patel adhered to Gandhi's Satyagraha policy of non-violence, insofar as it furthered the Indian struggle against the British. But he did not identify himself with Gandhi's moral convictions and ideals, and he regarded Gandhi's emphasis on their universal application as irrelevant to India's immediate political, economic, and social problems. Nevertheless, having resolved to follow and support Gandhi, Patel changed his style and appearance. He quit the Gujarat club, dressed in the white cloth of the Indian peasant, and ate in the Indian manner. Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the first Congress leaders to accept the partition of India as a solution to the rising Muslim separatist movement led by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He had been outraged by Jinnah's direct action campaign, which had provoked communal violence across India.
Patel was part of Constituent Assembly to frame Constitution of India. He was instrumental in collecting eminent people across the country and also persuaded Ambedkar to become member of drafting committee. In 1947, when India got freedom, Sardar Patel became the Deputy Prime Minister. He was in charge of Home Affairs, Information and Broadcasting, and the Ministry of States. He was given the task of integrating the 562 princely states into the Union. He skillfully achieved this and took strong steps like sending the army to Junagadh and Hyderabad to force themselves to align with Free India. It is only because of these strong steps he is called the Iron Man of India. He wanted a strong and vibrant federal administrative system in which all India services would play an important role. Patel was a selfless leader who placed the country's interests above everything and shaped India's destiny with single-minded devotion. The invaluable contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in building a modern and unified India needs to be remembered by every single Indian. There were so many who used to think that a diverse country like India can never remain united. It will fall apart. But Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel showed how it is done. We should learn how to grow from strength to strength, how to always stay united. He did something that was unparalleled. From Kutch to Kohima, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Sardar Patel united the country.